Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a boy Kindela right here. It's a new day and a new video. Sorry guys, I've been out for a while. Yeah, your boy has been so busy. Okay, I've been so busy, so I've been unable to bring you guys content. But I'm here now. I'm here and I'm back with more videos, and I promise to be bringing you back-to-back content like I always do, and you're gonna love it. So if this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button please, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post. And if you're already a family, thank you for holding on to this channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, so it's been a while like I said, but today's video I want to share with you or show you how I normally pack when I'm traveling. You guys always know that I travel a lot. I like traveling, so I'm going to show you how and what to pack for a short trip. Yeah, this trip is going to be a short trip. In another video I'm going to show you how to pack and what to pack for a long trip. Okay, so today is just going to focus on short trips, like few days trips and all that. It also depends on what form of transportation you're using, whether you're using the road or using the air. But this parking is gonna focus on flying. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So before we do that, let's get right into the intro.
Purchase your tracks today.
Welcome back. All right, so I just got off work. Okay, I just got off work. It's early morning, 7:19 a.m. okay, and I'm gonna get gas for my car. Out of gas, so I'm gonna fill up and then go home and start packing for the trip. Okay, yeah, I need to start packing. So when I get home, we will continue with the video. Give me a sec, let's see. All right, so I'm right here at the gas station. We're gonna fill up the tank really quick, then we head home to do our packing. So I'm waiting for the tank to fill up, and then I can head home. So you guys will see, it's reading. Yeah. So I will see you on the flip side. Okay, so when I'm traveling on a short trip, I normally make sure I do a checklist and then write down everything I need. I don't want to forget anything. I make sure I write everything I need, and then put them down, and when I'm ready to pack, it will be easy for me. I normally use pouches and organizing cubes and all that. It makes it easy to pack, and it makes it easy for you to have a lot of stuff. Or it makes it easy, so easy for you to have a lot of stuff in your small hand luggage for short trips. You can take as many stuff as possible that you want without having to worry about fitting them into your bag or not. So yeah, I'm gonna show you those pouches in a bit when I start packing, and I'll show you those organizing cubes too. It's early morning, everybody's commuting to work, so the road is kind of busy, but I should be home in a second, so I'll see you. So a quick question, do you pack days before your trip, or do you pack last minute? I love to pack days before my trip. Okay, so I already have everything lined up. I'm just gonna fit them into my bag, so I'm just gonna show you how I do it and what I normally pack. But I always pack days before my trip so I don't forget anything, and if I do, I remember to just put it back in the put it in the bag, you know, and that way I have everything I need for my trip. I hate to pack last minute, before then again you'll be in a rush to get your stuff ready, and then probably miss something, and you probably have to buy when you get to your destination. You never know, sometimes where you're going it's hard to get what you need. So my advice, pack days before your trip. But leave a comment in the comment section, let me know what you do. Do you pack days before your trip, or you pack last minute? And you can tell me why. Okay, so we are home now, almost home, and then we're gonna pack. All right, so let's do this. All right guys, so we are ready to pack for our short trip, right? But I have different hand luggages I use depending on where I'm going and how many days I'm staying. I have this nice leather duffel bag, a gift from a friend. Yeah, but we're not using this today. I have this one, nice. This one is more like a box, and this one is more like a liner plastic thing. But we're gonna use this one today. So we have 2 compartments that we're gonna use. We're gonna make sure everything here fits in this bag. Okay, so we have this, we have that, and I have this organizing cubes that I use, and it's very good for your trip. So you should get one, or you should get a couple. Yeah, and I have these pouches. I have 4 of them, so we'll see how many we're gonna use. All right, so guys, when I start, I try to take 1 or 2 extra sneakers with me. So I'm gonna take this one, like this, and then take a simple one. I also need a flip-flop, so I'm gonna take this one, and it's also gonna be right here. Then I have this, where is it? I have this for, this says laundry pouch. I have it for all my toiletries. Hand sanitizer. I have my paste, mouthwash, shampoo. I have my brush. I always have 2. I have my soap, and I have my lip gloss. Then I have some extra wipes for me. So this all in here, and I put it right here. So all these are my undershirts. I don't know how many days. Sometimes, you know, you go on trips and you want to spend extra days, so I just try and take as much as possible, so I don't have to be found wanting. So I have my all my singlets here, then I put my socks right by it. So yes, you see everything is in here. So I'm just gonna leave it right here. Then I pick the big one where I'm gonna put all my shirts and probably my shorts. So this is it. Depending on how many days I'm going again, pick few white shirts, then I pick other colors. There we go. And I take my shirts all on this side, and I have my shorts, and I have some swimming shorts. You never know, probably will swim. Then I have my jeans. And another one. And I like to keep my belts by my jeans, so I know I don't have to be looking for them. So you see guys, everything is in here. Everything. So I'm just gonna put it right here. You see? Everything is in here. Then I have these pouches. So this is where my sunglasses, I just decide which one I take. I will take this one. You see my sunglasses? They're already in the case. This one already in there. Then I have my watches. I love colors, so yeah. So I have my watches here. Then these are my sample sized cologne, and this is what the little bottle I put my cologne in, because I don't want to take this big one where the security at the airport will take it. So I just use this one and put it in right here. Okay, then before I leave, I try to spray a little bit in my stuff. Then this guy can fit somewhere right here. Okay, then I also have my headphones. I have my headphones. Then goes right in there. Then I close this side, so I don't need all this extra one. I don't need them. So guys, you see, everything is in here. So the next thing is just to close this bag. Oh, look, my lotion. I forgot my lotion. So I just put my lotion back. Yeah, you don't want to forget your lotion, guys. Okay, guys, everything is in here. We are ready to go. So this is my backpack, and this is where I'm gonna put extra stuff like my camera, my laptop, my chargers, and all that. Then we'll be good to go. Okay, so we are done packing our hand luggage. It's time to pack the backpack. Okay, so this is my backpack right here, and the first thing I put in my backpack is with the laptop. Okay, I'm gonna put my laptop in the laptop compartment right here, and then I already have the charger in there, so I'm just gonna add it. So the laptop and the charger goes right there, and this is my camera and all the accessories. So this is my tablet, and my tablet always I use it in a plane, so I don't put it too far away, so I'm going to put this last. Okay, and this is my GoPro case. I have 3 GoPros and all the accessories. I have extra batteries and everything I need. I have all my accessories. I have this case, so I'm just gonna close that. Goes right in there. And I have my camera, batteries, flash drive, and XD cards I needed for my trip. Then I have my GoPro tripod, GoPro selfie stick. Then I have my gimbal for the phone in case I want to use my phone to video. So it's gonna be in there. There we go. I have my camera charge cord. I have my phone charger. They go right here. And I also have some filters for my camera. I have this notepad in case I need to write something down. And I have my pen. Okay, so this is my little wallet for my passport, my vaccination card, my green card, and everything. So I put that one right in my little pouch. This is my camera charger. I need it. This is a camera. It goes in right here, and I always have a Bluetooth speaker in case I want to chant to the music, you know, and I don't want to use the headset. So everything is right there. And because my hand luggage is full, I have my grooming kit, my shaving machine, and all that. So I'm just gonna put in right here. Everything will fit. Then my last thing will be my tablet. It goes in there. I need to create space. Yep, in there. My book is always with me, so I'm just gonna add it to mine. There we go, guys. Easy. So when we're ready, we put a backpack back. I hold my pouch and I pull my hand luggage. Let's see how it cut. And I'm good to go. Let's fly. All right, guys. So we are done packing and we are ready to hit the road. So this is easy, right? So easy. This is how I pack for my short trips. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but I need them. You never know what will happen whilst you are away. So yeah, this is it. This is how and what to pack when you're traveling for a short trip, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna come your way different day with a different video on how to pack and what to pack for a long vacation or a long trip. All right, so before I leave, please kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to share this video. Share, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, so I read and I'll reply you. So I come your way again with a new video. It's your boy Kindela saying peace out.